Hello friends, today we have to see next reaction of alkene, that is oxymercuration and de-mercuration. In the oxymercuration and de-mercuration, we are performing hydration of alkene. If you see overall reaction of oxymercuration and de-mercuration, so hydration takes place across the double bond and finally we get alcohol as a product. So what happen in oxymercuration and de-mercuration? First, alkene reacts with mercuric acetate in aqueous solution along with solvent tetrahydrofuran THF. First gives hydroxymercurial compound. This is called as oxymercuration, and this hydroxymercurial compound undergoes reduction in presence of sodium borohydride in NaOH or KOH, finally gives alcohol as a product. So the first part is oxymercuration, where we get hydroxymercurial compound, and the second part is de-mercuration, in which mercurial acetate get lost during this reaction and finally we get alcohol as a product. Now we have to see here the simple example of oxymercuration and de-mercuration. So in case of first step, that is oxymercuration, when we have alkene such as C double bond C, here this is R reacts with mercuric acetate HgOAC, that is OCOCH3 twice in water. So this is aqueous solution of mercuric acetate, and here the solvent is THF, tetrahydrofuran. So in the first step we get hydroxymercurial compound. Here this R and this OH added from this water molecule to one of the carbon, and this mercuric acetate added across the another carbon. So here we get OH, here HgOAC, this AC means COCH3, so this is OCOCH3. So this is called as hydroxy because of this OH mercurial compound. Here this is mercuric acetate. This is alkene. So this first step is oxymercuration. And in the de-mercuration, it undergoes reduction and this HgOAC lost and hydrogen comes to this carbon. So we get in the de-mercuration here this OH R, this is HgOCOCH3. So this is here OAC, AC means acetyl group, OAC. Now here it reacts with sodium borohydride in presence of sodium hydroxide. Here there is a loss of this. So this mercuric acetate get lost and we get here finally product R, and here this CHCr2 CH. So finally what happen, this OH and here this H. So there is a hydration reaction takes place across the double bond during oxymercuration and de-mercuration. Here this hydration reaction involves two steps. In this first part we get hydroxymercurial compound when alkene reacts with mercuric acetate, aqueous mercuric acetate in tetrahydrofuran, gives hydroxymercurial compound, which undergoes further reduction. In the second step we get alcohol as a product. Now here there is a alcohol. Now what happen in mechanism? If you see its mechanism in brief, then here there is a double bond. It reacts with here this HgOAC, this AC is OAC is acetate. Now here this double bond added across this and this one OAC departed, and again this mercury again attacks on the olefinic carbon, and we get here this is HgOAC. Now here we get positive charge on this. Now in the next step, when water molecule attacks here and this electron density goes to this HgOAC, and we get here OH. Now here this HgOAC, and this is hydroxymercuryl compound. In the next step, it reacts with sodium borohydride NaBH4. It undergoes reduction here in presence of NaOH. We get here this product OH. Here there is H. So here this alcohol is obtained as a product. So here this is the simple mechanism. When this attacks here, this OAC get departed. So here this is CH3COO minus. So this is lost. So this is here loss of acetate, and here we get finally alcohol as a product. So if you see this reaction, oxymercuration and de-mercuration, this is again regio selective reaction, where this OH in this alkene added across the carbon having more number of alkyl groups. So as per the Markovnikov's addition, so this OH comes to the carbon having more number of alkyl groups or more alkylated carbons. So in this way we can have the hydration reaction across the alkene in presence of mercuric acetate and THF. So here this is aqueous mercuric acetate reacts with this. So we get here first hydroxymercuryl compound followed by reduction. So the second step is here reduction, in which this de-mercuration takes place. So this mercuric compound get lost in the last step during the reduction, and we get finally alcohol as a product. If we see next examples of this oxymercuration and de-mercuration, if I have example such as CH3, CH2, CH2, CH double bond, CH2. It reacts with mercuric acetate, that is aqueous mercuric acetate in THF, and in second step it reacts with NaBH4 sodium borohydride in NaOH. So we get here H and OH or OH and H here. So how we get here this alcohol? As this carbon is having only one hydrogen, this carbon is having two hydrogens. So the OH added across this carbon according to the Markovnikov's addition. So this reaction is taking place here in this way. It is called as regioselective reaction. CH2. Now here this is CHOH, and here there is CH3. So instead of one pentanol, this is here pentene. This is one pentene, but here we get two pentanol or pentane 2-ol as a product during this oxymercuration and de-mercuration. First we get hydroxymercuryl compound followed by reduction in presence of sodium borohydride in NaOH gives product that is alcohol. If we see next examples, again we will have the same trend in which OH attaches to carbon having less number of hydrogens. So OH goes to the carbons having less number of hydrogen. If we have example such as CH3, double bond CH, CH3. So here this is 2-methyl 2-butene. So this is 2-methyl but 2-ene. So in this, when it undergoes reaction in presence of aqueous mercuric acetate in THF and reduction in presence of sodium borohydride in here this base such as OH, NaOH. So we get here OH, but not here this, because this carbon is having no hydrogen and this carbon is having one hydrogen. So we get product here. Now I am writing here final product. Here this OH, CH3, CH3, CH2, CH3. So here this is 2-methyl 2-butanol, 2-methyl 2-butanol, or butane to all we get as a product. So in this way we can have the more number of examples in which we can see oxymercuration and demercuration. Finally, what we are observing here, hydration reaction taking place and we get alcohol as a product. We have next example in which here CH3, C, CH3, CH3, now CH double bond CH2. So when it reacts with HgOAc, that is mercuric acetate in THF, first what happen, here this OH attaches and here there is HgOAc attaches. So we get here in the step 1 CH3, 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 here now CHOH, and here there is CH2, HgOAc. So this is the hydroxymercurial compound and it undergoes reduction in presence of sodium borohydride in NaOH. So here there is a reduction and we get this alcohol 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 3,3-dimethyl, 3,3-dimethyl butane 2-all or 2-butanol. So in this way, this is the oxymercuration and demercuration here we have seen, and it is regioselective reaction in which OH attaches to carbon having less number of hydrogen. So here there is only one hydrogen, so OH attaches to this. So the first part is oxymercuration, the second part is demercuration, where the reduction is taking place. So in this way, here we have seen oxymercuration and demercuration of alkenes with suitable examples. Thank you.